Imagine a home that fits on just 3 wheels but still manages to give you everything you need: comfort, style, and freedom. The 2026 RV camper isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolution in tiny living. At first glance, it looks like some futuristic concept out of a sci-fi movie, but this 3-wheel camper is very real, and it's about to change the way we think about affordable housing and travel forever. Picture this: you roll up to your favorite spot, whether it's a quiet lake, a mountain top, or even right by the ocean, and within seconds your entire home is ready. No need for bulky trailers or giant RVs that guzzle gas. This lightweight camper is designed with efficiency in mind, running on advanced hybrid technology that saves you money while giving you the freedom to go wherever the road takes you. It's not just transport, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Step inside, and you'll be amazed at how designers have maximized every inch of space. The interior feels like stepping into a tiny luxury apartment. You've got a convertible sleeping area that folds into a cozy lounge during the day, a compact kitchen complete with smart appliances, and even a hidden workspace for those who want to travel while working remotely. Storage compartments are cleverly tucked away, so even though it's small, it never feels cramped. Every detail has been carefully thought out to make life on the road not only possible but comfortable. What really makes this 2026 RV camper stand out is how it challenges the idea of what a home has to be. Why be tied down to high rent, mortgages, and endless bills, when you can literally live anywhere? For the cost of a few months' rent in the city, you could own a home on wheels that takes you across states, through national parks, and even into hidden spots most people never get to see. It's freedom, independence, and affordability rolled into one sleek package. But don't think that tiny means boring. The futuristic design of this 3-wheeler grabs attention everywhere it goes. Aerodynamic curves, high-tech LED lighting, and solar panels that power your electronics all make this camper not just practical but jaw-droppingly cool. Imagine pulling up and people turning their heads, wondering how something so compact can hold so much inside. And when the sun goes down, the ambient lighting inside creates a warm, modern atmosphere perfect for winding down after a day of adventure. This camper isn't just for solo travelers, it's for couples, adventurers, or anyone who's tired of being tied down by rent and routine. The 2026 3-wheel RV is more than just a tiny home, it's a movement. A movement toward freedom, minimalism, and living life on your own terms. The question is, would you trade your fixed home for the open road and a life of endless possibilities? Because once you see what this little giant can do, you might never look at traditional living the same way again. So buckle up, because the future of travel is here.